The volume of the sphere-based pyramid opposite is 384 centimeter cube. The diagonal RP is 16.97 centimeter. Vertex V is vertically above the midpoint of RP. Find the angle between the line VP and the plane PQRS. So this question is asking us to find the angle between the line VP and the plane PQRS. The first thing we do is we join RP. So that's done. The next thing, we mark the midpoint of RP, and suppose O is the midpoint, and the join OV. So you see, when we do that, the angle VOP would be 90 degrees, and we are required to find theta, which is angle VPO. This is what the question is asking us to do. So how do we proceed? So the first thing we are going to do is to assume that the sides of the square, which is a square-based pyramid, doesn't really look like a square, but it doesn't matter. It's not drawn to scale. So the sides of the square-based pyramid are sides of the square are x centimeters. So once you've done that, then applying Pythagoras' theorem, we can do x square plus x square equals 16.97 square. See this one, because RQ square plus QP square equals RP square. So we can say that x square plus x square is 16.97 square, and so you have said, like, it's not O, I got a mistake here. I got to write it is QR square plus QP square equals RP square. That's correct. So then we have x square plus x square equals 16.97, which is RP, because they've given us RP 16.97. So that we can say that x square plus x square is 16.97 square, and therefore what we get is, no, this is not right. So then we get 2x square is 287.9809, and we get x square. X square equals the area of the square base, and that equals 287.9809 divided by 2. And when you do that, you would get 143.99045. That would be the area of the square base. Now they have given us the volume of the pyramid, so we'll use the volume to find out the height of the pyramid, because we know the volume is 1/3 times area of base times height for the pyramid. So what I did is, need that there. So what I did is I wrote down 1/3 times x squared, that's the volume, that's the area of the base, sorry. So that 143.99045 times the height equals 384, and then we get h equals 3 times 384 and divided by 143.99045, and from here I get approximately 8. It's not a perfect 8, but ignoring the other decimal places, you say approximately 8. So then what we get is height is height is OV. So we know what OV is. See, this height would equal OV. So OV we know, and OP would be RP divided by 2 because O is a midpoint. And please note this is also a right angle. So next, that's what I did. So I found out what OP is, and OP is 8.485, and we've also got OV or H. So then we know that we can work out the angle theta. That's what we're supposed to work out using tan theta, because that would equal opposite side divided by the adjacent side, and that would be OV divided by OP. And OV divided by OP gives you 8 divided by 8.485, and that will give you 0.9428, and you have to do tan inverse of 0.9428, sorry, not 9.4, 0.9428, and that would be the value of theta. And if you worked it out, you would get theta equals 43.3 degrees. That is the answer. It's a full answer, and I've again written it. Theta equals 43.3 degrees. So that completes the problem.